Want to know how to view your watch history on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to view your watch history on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, tap on the settings and privacy option at the last of the menu. Here under the content and display section, tap on the activity center option. Furthermore, tap on the watch history option right above the comment history. So this is how you can view your watch history on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.